One of the easiest ways that you can test network connectivity in Windows 10 is to use the ping command. So let's take a look at how that might work. I'm going to begin by opening a command prompt window, so I'll click on the Start button. And then from there I'll go to All Apps. Next I'll go to the W section, Expand Windows System, and I'll click on Command Prompt. And this opens a command prompt window. Now the way that the ping command works is that you type ping followed by the IP address of the system that you're wanting to test connectivity to. So for example, this particular machine has an IP address of 147.100.100.60. As a matter of fact, if I type ipconfig, you can see this machine's address. Now let's ping another machine on the network to see if we can communicate with it. I've got another machine that has an IP address of 147.100.100.161. So I am typing. And when I do that, you'll notice that there's a bit of a delay. And then we're going to see an error message saying request timed out, and the ping command actually sends 4 different packets to the destination address. So we're going to get this error message 4 times. Now, does this mean that network connectivity is broken? Not necessarily. The reason for that is that when we use the ping command, we're actually sending ICMP packets to the destination address, and some firewalls are configured to block ICMP packets. Let me show you what I mean. So right now we're on the machine as the 161 address, and as a matter of fact, if I open a command prompt window and I type ipconfig, you can see this machine's address. Now let's go ahead and disable the Windows firewall. I'm going to right-click on the Start button and go to Run. I'll type Control and click OK. And from there I'm going to go to System and Security. And then I'll click on Windows Defender Firewall. And then I'll click on Turn Windows Defender Firewall on or off. And I'll go ahead and turn off the firewall. And incidentally, this isn't something that I recommend you do. I'm just doing this for demonstration purposes. I'll click OK. So the firewall is off. Now let me switch back over to my other machine and we'll repeat the ping command. Now we get a reply from the destination machine because the firewall is no longer blocking ICMP packets. So the ping command can be used to test connectivity, but only so long as a firewall isn't standing in the way. So we verified that this machine can communicate with another machine on the network. What other things might we do with the ping command? Well, if you verified the communication works within your network, then the next logical step would be to ping your default gateway and see if the gateway router responds. So I'll go ahead and do that now. My default gateway is 147.100.100.100, so let's ping that. I'll press Enter and we get a reply from the default gateway. So we can communicate as far across our network as the default gateway. Now let's find out if we can ping an internet resource. Now, not all websites are pingable, but I'll go ahead and ping my own site. And that's brianposey.com. I'll press Enter. And we get a reply from brianposey.com, and you'll notice that the IP address for that site is being returned by the ping, along with information about how long the ping took. So that's just a sample of how you might use the ping command to test connectivity on a Windows 10 machine.